Hi, my name is Kibra and I work for Campus Center Management, and today I'll be going over how to book a room in the Campus Center through the Event Management System, also known as EMS. To begin, you may go to My UAlbany, scroll down and find Event Management System. Once you click it, it will take you to a page where you can enter your UAlbany credentials, those being your net ID and your password. Once you're logged in, click Create a Reservation on the left-hand side of the screen. Then, under My Reservation Templates, you may click Book Now next to the Campus Center Student Group Event Request Form. Next, you may choose the desired date for your event. You should also add your start and end times. In my experience, my organization needs a room weekly. In that case, I book a recurring reservation. To do that, you may click the Recurrence button next to the date. In this example, we will create a weekly reoccurring reservation. First, click Recurrence next to the date. Then choose Weekly. Then choose which day of the week you want your reservation to reoccur on. In this case, we will use Wednesday. You should choose the start and end date for this reoccurrence. Then choose the start and end times for your reservation. Remember, this will occur weekly. Then click Apply Recurrence. If you're not sure of the type of room you need, you may search under Let me search for a room on the left-hand side, and then you may put in the amount of people you expect to attend, and that will help you narrow down your room choices. If you already know what room you want, you can simply search it under I know what room I want, also on the left-hand side. In this example, we will use the Let me search for a room feature. For the purposes of this example, I need a room that could fit 50 people. In this case, I will put 50 for the number of people. Then click Search. This will bring up a list of rooms that can fit 50 people and are available on the date and times I have set in my previous criterion. In this case, my best option is the CC375 meeting room because it is available for all 7 of my occurrences required. The other rooms are only available 6 out of the 7 times I need the reservation. Therefore, 375 is the best option. In the event none of the rooms are available on all 7 recurring days, I would choose the room that has the most days available. Then I would be prompted to choose another room for the last day that is missing. But in this case, CC375 works best, so I will go with 375. Once you do this, the reservation will be added to your cart, which is labeled My Cart at the top right of the screen. Then you can click Next Step. Be careful not to click Create a Reservation just yet. Next, you will be prompted to add an AV package to your reservation. You can click the AV package drop-down button and it will show you the different packages available. You may choose which best suits your needs. Once you choose your package, if you need to add or remove any items from the package, you may add that in special instructions. Then click OK. Then click Next Step. You will be prompted to add the reservation details. This is a very important step. You will first be asked for the name of your event. Then you will be asked for the event type. If you wish to send calendar invites through this reservation, you may configure that here as well. If not, you can opt out. Choose what group you're making the reservation for. Remember, only the reservation's coordinators can make reservations. Then you may put the first contact as yourself. Then add your phone number. Your email address will more than likely auto-populate, but if not, make sure to put your UAlbany email. Next, you will be asked to provide a detailed description of your event. Be sure to be as specific as possible. While typing the detailed description of your event, remember to add the seating style that you require. If your program will have food, be sure to indicate that in the next drop-down. You may choose if you will have alcohol at your event. Then, include if there will be a guest speaker who is not affiliated with the university. If you believe that you'll benefit from having a dedicated AV person from our staff for your event, you may indicate so in this next box. Next, you should indicate if there will be any minors at your event. Then, if you need parking for non-UAlbany registered vehicles, indicate so here. And then finally, if you have any questions or concerns, you may list them in the final box. Then, you can finally click that green Create a Reservation button. After you create your reservation, you will receive a request confirmation. Please note that this is not a reservation confirmation. You will receive your reservation confirmation within 2 to 3 business days. After your event has concluded, be on the lookout for your invoice within 2 weeks. If you have a recurring event, your invoice would be sent within 2 weeks of your last event. So that's it. This is the end of the EMS tutorial, and if you have any more questions, feel free to stop by the information desk next to Starbucks or email campuscentercommunications@albany.edu.